tire pressure drop, puncture. The Alpine A110 is fitted with a system that alerts you to a loss of pressure in one or more of the tires. The message, "Adjust tire pressure," is shown on the instrument panel, and a steady warning light located above the steering column illuminates. In the event of a puncture, the corresponding message is accompanied by the stop warning light. Pressure is adjusted with cold tires to the values shown on the label located towards the bottom of the driver's side door. Depending on the severity of the damage to the tire, you can use the inflation kit to make a repair. To do so, carefully follow the instructions shown on the compressor. The inflation kit is stored in its own case in the boot.